Every year, something truly magical happens in Singapore. A single street bursts into color, into light, and suddenly, it feels like the night sky has come down to meet the earth. This is Little India, and this is Deepavali, the Festival of Lights. But what makes this celebration so special that thousands come here every year just to witness it? Tonight, we'll find out. Every year, Little India transforms into a glowing wonderland. These arches, shaped like peacocks, lotuses, and oil lamps, are carefully designed to symbolize beauty, purity, and good fortune. The light up is more than just decoration. It's a message that light will always overcome darkness, just as good will always triumph over evil. And during Deepavali season, the streets become one giant marketplace. Here at Campbell Lane, you'll find stalls filled with colorful saris, shimmering jewelry, and traditional lamps called diyas. Families come here to prepare their homes for celebration, to welcome light, prosperity, and joy. Of course, Deepavali wouldn't be complete without sweets. From crunchy maruku to golden laddu, these treats are more than just desserts. They're gifts of love, shared with family and friends to spread happiness and good luck. It's not just the sights or the food, it's the atmosphere. There's a sense of togetherness here, a shared joy that fills every corner of Little India. You don't just see the light, you feel it. If you're enjoying this journey through Little India, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. We love exploring cultural celebrations like this, and your support helps me keep discovering the beautiful stories that make Singapore so special. Turn on the bell too, so you won't miss my next adventure. Maybe another festival, maybe another hidden gem in this amazing city. Deepavali, or Diwali, means a row of lights. For the Indian community in Singapore, it's not just about beautiful streets or vibrant colors. It's about light conquering darkness, hope defeating despair, and love uniting families and friends. It's a time for forgiveness, reflection, and new beginnings. A reminder that even a single light can chase away the darkness. So when you walk through Little India during Deepavali, remember, you're not just witnessing a festival. You're witnessing the spirit of light, hope, and community that continues to shine brighter every year.